Hi guys, I'm Alexandra Spalato, founder of Gatsby WP Themes. I want to invite you to our free virtual GatsbyConf starting on March 2nd. At GatsbyConf, you will binge on 2 days of non-stop knowledge from Jamstack experts that will help you level up your skills. Plus, you will meet thousands of Gatsby pros to network and learn from. I'm delivering a workshop titled Create and Customize a Gatsby blog powered by WordPress, where you will learn how to get up and running with Gatsby WP themes, with our free themes, and how to use this code base to build any Gatsby site powered by WordPress faster. You won't want to miss it. So smash that register button now, and we'll see you there.